What's happening, everyone? Got another reset for you. Today we're doing the Blackview BV5500 Plus. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a screen lock that you forgot and you gotta do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do it. Also, guys, just so you know, we got a ton more stuff coming, so if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. We got a ton more hard resets and a ton more teardowns coming, and if there's anything in particular you want to see, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you before the other stuff that we got lined up. So lastly, if you do hard reset, just remember you will delete all the data off the phone, so if you have anything important on the phone, it will be deleted, so keep that in mind. But otherwise, let's get right into this. So we'll have your volume up, volume down, and power key right there, and we want to hold volume up and power at the same time. And it should take us right to the reset screen, so just hold both buttons and it should get us right there. I must let go one. Just keep holding. I'll bring it up in a second. There we go. So when you get to this screen, your volume up is the scroll and volume down is select. So you want to get to recovery. Once we get to recovery, hit volume down. Sorry, it's a little harder to see through the camera when you're trying to post one of these videos. But once you do that, it should load to our reset menu, and we use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button to select and then confirm with yes. And now it's deleting. Now it's done. So now we can either reboot or we can power off. And I just hit reboot. And this will take you back to the welcome screen, and you can navigate the phone back to the home screen and start it all over. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, do all that great stuff. And otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.